the best VPN of the decade, guys. So we'll be reviewing this one and be showing you how to use this application like a pro. Stay tuned. Pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Very simply out. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So down here you may see the server section where it says optimal, and you can just pretty much tap on it and you can see all the servers that they offer. Over 126 servers, guys. So as you can see here, and you also have multi-do servers with extra protection if we're gonna browse online and so forth. So nothing much for that. Also over here you may see protocol. I recommend to let it stay at auto, but if you want to try out the other protocol, VPN connection protocols, you can go ahead and try it out. Also this give you a description of what these other protocols are. So depends on you. So at the top here, as you can see, it's pretty much a connection button. Well, before I get into that, I want to just go down here where you see the globe icon. So the globe icon here pretty much have a web browser within the VPN application, which is crazy, which you can also browse on the internet. So I'm going to type in something pretty much cat, and it will pretty much search on the internet for me. As I can see here, it will ask if I'm a robot and so forth. So I'm not going to go much into that, but you have a built-in browser in the application which you can use as well if you don't feel safe to use Chrome or any other browser. You can try it out. Also, you can watch YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or Spotify music, whichever one you choose. So over here you have the profile icon. Nothing much for this section. You have this split tunnel feature which pretty much allows you to select whichever application you don't want to get VPN connection and you want to get a VPN connection. I've said that a bunch of times. And at the home here you have the connection center, which pretty much gives you the option to connect and start up. So anytime you're connected to any network, whether it be mobile or Wi-Fi, it's automatically gonna connect to the internet connection. And also it automatically launch or auto connect once the app launches. If you want that feature, you can enable this as well. So let's say you're on a unsecured network, you didn't know that you're connected to it, but it will automatically connect. The VPN will automatically connect to that network for you, so you're secure. So you can enable that unsecure Wi-Fi feature. So the rest of them you can enable it if you want for secured Wi-Fi or for mobile networks. All depends upon you. So down here you have the kill switch feature, which completely kills the internet if it's disconnected or anything like that. Down here you have the light mode, which can pretty much put it on auto. We just automatically go in the light mode. Down here nothing much, just some different features and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for that there. To connect the VPN, so I'm going to go in the server section here. So these are all the servers available. So do keep in mind, some of these servers you won't be able to use, like these streaming servers for Netflix, YouTube, and also the gaming servers. So if I tap on it, you may see a subscription page. So you're going to need a subscription if you're going to use their servers for streaming, or if you're going to play a game, Fortnite or PUBG, whatever the case is. So here you have the monthly subscription for $9.99 and $80 for the year subscription. You also do get a 7-day free trial. So if you want to test out the premium subscription, you can go for the 7 days and cancel anytime if you don't like it. And that's pretty much it for that there. And you can't really pretty much select any server, because most of these servers are not for free. So you have to just let it stay on the optimal option there and then tap on connect. Will ask you to watch an ad. So you need to watch an ad before you can even connect to the VPN. So you can watch a short ads. And video. So once you're done finish watching the ad, you just tap on the X here and it will pretty much give you a connection time of 15 minutes, but it's not connected. VPN won't be connected. It's just giving you time. So you can either add more time to that 15 minutes or you can just connect right away. So I'm going to just connect to the VPN here, and as you can see, ask for connection request and tap on OK. Will be connected in no time. As you can see here, I'm connected and protected while streaming the internet. So yeah, will test your speed, the server will show you IP and everything, also the data that you have used and so forth. So very, very good VPNs, very fast, and give it a try. So that's pretty much it for this application. See you guys in the next one.